Welcome to our channel, where we are about to kickstart your mornings with a lineup of 12 easy breakfast ideas that are not only delicious but also designed to accelerate your weight loss goals. The best part? These breakfasts are simple, budget-friendly, and utilize ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. So, grab your apron, because we are diving into a world of wholesome morning meals that'll set the tone for a successful day of healthy choices. Pounds melt away when you start creating a calorie deficit at the beginning of your day. For many individuals, breakfast is the easiest meal to turn into a weight loss meal. Why? Well, you're at home, you have a kitchen full of fresh foods, and you're not tempted by any fast food options when you're out and about later in the day. Simply put, the morning gives you the best control over what you eat. The ingredients for a healthy morning meal that promotes weight loss don't have to be fancy either. In fact, you probably already have them in the pantry and refrigerator. We spoke with experts who break down some of the best and easiest breakfasts for rapid weight loss you can start working into your regular rotation. Keep reading to learn more, and then, for more healthy tips, be sure to check out Do These 5 Things Every Morning to Lose Weight Faster, dietitian says. What should your weight loss breakfasts include? 1. Overnight oats. The best part about this first extremely tasty breakfast for rapid weight loss is that you prep it in advance. This way, even the busiest of mornings won't stand in the way of your progress. Packed with protein, thanks to Greek yogurt and skim milk, this prep in advance breakfast only requires you to simply combine the ingredients in a bowl or jar and let the delicious meal creation happen as you sleep. Research shows that protein is essential for weight loss, as it helps you avoid overeating and makes it more seamless to shed unwanted weight. Getting your fill of protein can also help speed up your metabolism and torch a greater amount of fat, including stubborn abdominal fat. Greek yogurt provides good-for-you probiotics to promote a healthy gut microbiome, which is associated with less body fat. Try the Twins Orange Creamsicle Overnight Oats recipe. You'll need a half cup oats, a half cup non-fat plain Greek yogurt, 1 orange, peeled and sectioned, a half teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon ground flax, a quarter cup non-fat milk, 2 avocado toast with scrambled eggs. This healthy breakfast is ultra-satisfying, thanks to the winning combination of protein, fiber, and healthy fat, all of which help to keep energy and blood sugar levels stable and prevent energy crashes that trigger sugar cravings. The twins' favorite eggs to use for avocado toast are Eggland's Best, due to the nutritional value and the fact that they only pack 60 calories per egg. Compared to ordinary eggs, has more than double the omega-3s to fight the inflammation that makes weight loss more difficult. Plus, they contain 6 times more vitamin D compared to ordinary eggs, and research shows that people with lower levels of vitamin D are more likely to be obese. One study revealed that individuals who ate eggs with toast for breakfast were less hungry and did not consume as many calories during their next meal when compared to people who had cereal with milk and juice. All it takes is 2 tablespoons of avocado to keep the calories in check, and you'll still get the creaminess and the good-for-you monounsaturated fat. 3. Blueberry Protein Weight Loss Breakfast Smoothie. When you're on a time crunch, this blueberry protein weight loss breakfast smoothie comes in clutch. Nothing is more seamless than adding some healthy ingredients to the blender, grabbing your smoothie, and then heading out the door. This deliciously satisfying one has a high protein to calorie ratio, meaning it gives you a lot of satiety for a relatively small number of calories, thanks to vanilla protein powder and just the right amount of almond butter. Add that blueberries' antioxidant C3G decreases hunger by increasing the hormone leptin, while also enhancing fat metabolism by increasing adiponectin. Lemons contain potent polyphenols that may help to suppress body fat accumulation and prevent obesity. To make this blueberry protein weight loss smoothie, you'll need a half cup frozen blueberries, a half cup unsweetened vanilla almond milk, a half tablespoon almond butter, 1 scoop vanilla plant-based protein powder, a half teaspoon fresh lemon juice, water to blend. 4. Turkey sausage and salsa burrito. Add some turkey sausage to a pan, and within mere minutes, you'll have a tasty, protein-packed and waistline-friendly breakfast to enjoy. The key to making this meal ideal for weight loss is to use a whole grain wrap that is less than 150 calories, and skip meatless sausage patties, which are typically loaded with highly processed ingredients and additives that lead to inflammation in the body that makes weight loss more difficult, as well as regular high-fat and antibiotic-treated sausage. Antibiotics can negatively impact the gut microbiome and make weight loss harder, they explain. Suggest Applegate Naturals registered trademark symbol savory turkey breakfast sausage. It's a stellar source of protein, incredibly tasty, and doesn't contain as many calories as regular sausage. Plus, the brand follows a strict no antibiotics ever policy. Salsa is the perfect way to wrap up this breakfast burrito. Salsa packs in antioxidants to mop up free radicals and protect against inflammation that is associated with obesity. 5. High-protein oatmeal with cinnamon. Pop whole grain, nutrient, and fiber-rich oatmeal in the microwave, and in minutes, you'll have the base of a hot meal that provides satisfaction and long-lasting energy to start your day. If you're a fan of oats, you're in luck, because research shows this healthy breakfast food can help you lose weight and control your blood sugar. For the ultimate weight loss breakfast, adding a protein source such as protein powder, cottage cheese, milk powder, Greek yogurt, or even egg whites to lengthen the energy-boosting effects of the oats and keep you fuller for a longer period of time. You'll prevent energy peaks and crashes and the subsequent sugar cravings and overeating that result when you only give your body carbs and your body needs a quick pick-me-up, they add. And lastly, include some cinnamon in your oats, which provides natural sweetness without the excess calories. According to research, cinnamon has also been associated with weight loss and reduced belly fat, so you know this breakfast is a clear winner. To whip up this cinnamon banana belly fat-burning oatmeal, you'll need a half cup oats, a half cup non-fat milk, a half small banana, mashed, a half teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/3 cup non-fat cottage cheese, 1 egg white. 6. Yogurt parfait. Numerous studies show that yogurt can be part of a healthy weight loss plan, she tells us. A recently published study concluded that among women with less healthy diets, yogurt consumption was associated with lower postpartum obesity risk. The study also found a link between those who ate more yogurt and cheese with less postpartum weight retention, and women who were sedentary or had a low-quality diet. Eating more yogurt was associated with a lower risk of postpartum obesity. For Amida's strawberry kiwi yogurt parfait, you'll need 1. 32-ounce container of non-fat vanilla Greek yogurt, 1 cup, about 8 large, strawberries, hulled and diced, 2 kiwis, peeled and diced, a half cup almonds, chopped, a 1/4 cup freshly squeezed or 100% orange juice. 7. Mediterranean breakfast bowl. If you're looking for a mouth-watering, low-calorie breakfast, consider whipping up Amida's Mediterranean breakfast bowl. Hard-cooked eggs are a great protein breakfast option as the protein helps keep you feeling satisfied. Plus, you can prep it in advance to help save time in the morning. Pair it with vegetables like cucumbers and tomatoes, which have fiber and are lower in calories. Add a spoonful of hummus for healthy fat, which also provides that satiety value, she explains. For this breakfast bowl, you'll need 5 peeled hard-cooked eggs, divided. 5 kirby or mini cucumbers, divided. 1 1/4 cups cherry tomatoes, divided. 5 3/4 ounces slices of low-fat Swiss cheese, divided. 2 1/2 large, 8-inch, 100% whole wheat pitas, divided. 1 1/4 cups prepared hummus. 8 peanut butter and jelly Wonder Whip. This high-protein snack or breakfast comes from Medical Board member Ilana Mulstein, MS, RDN. In her book You Can Drop It, How I Dropped 100 Pounds Enjoying Carbs, Cocktails and Chocolate. And you can too. To make peanut butter and jelly Wonder Whip, you'll need 1 cup reduced fat, 2% plain Greek yogurt. 2 tablespoons peanut butter powder. A half cup fresh or frozen red grapes cut in half. 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract. Liquid stevia to taste, optional. Ground cinnamon to taste, optional. To make it, combine the yogurt, peanut butter powder, vanilla extract, stevia, if desired, and cinnamon, if desired, in a serving bowl. Mix well. Top the yogurt mixture with grapes. Serve immediately or store refrigerated in an airtight container for up to 1 day. 9. High fiber green smoothie. One of the most critical steps to losing weight is gaining control over mindless eating. That's why personal trainer Karisa Karmali, a National Association of Sports Medicine certified nutrition coach and founder of Self-Live and Fitness, recommends high fiber and high protein smoothies. Protein increases satiety, which lowers the chances of binge eating due to not being satisfied with our meals, she says. Try her favorite recipe, a high fiber green summer smoothie. A half frozen banana. 1 cup spinach. A half avocado. 1 serving of vanilla protein powder. 1 cup almond milk, or any milk of your choice. 1 teaspoon chia seeds, whole or ground. Blend with or without ice cubes. 10 high-fiber blueberry waffles. You can make blueberry waffles into a hearty breakfast that will stick with you all morning long by using high-fiber psyllium husk, says Medical Board member Lisa Moskowitz, RD, CEO of Envi Nutrition Group, says in her book The Core 3 Healthy Eating Plan. Derived from the Plantago ovta plant seeds, it has prebiotic potential, meaning psyllium can feed healthy gut bacteria, increasing probiotics and promoting a healthier digestive system. Psyllium can also increase the production of short-chain fatty acids, which studies show may increase your metabolism and fat burning, says Moskowitz. To make these blueberry waffles, you'll need 1 cup frozen blueberries, 1 tablespoon coconut oil, 1 large egg, a 1/4 cup cottage cheese, 1 tablespoon psyllium husk powder, 1 tablespoon vegan vanilla protein powder, a half teaspoon baking powder. To make it, place berries in a microwave-safe dish and microwave for 1 minute. Coat the bottom and top the waffle iron with coconut oil so it's evenly distributed. Crack an egg into a small mixing bowl and add cottage cheese, vanilla extract, psyllium husk, protein powder, and baking powder. Mix well. Pour the batter over the waffle iron and lower the lid. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes until slightly golden brown. Let it cool for 1 minute and then carefully remove it from the waffle iron. Once the waffle is on the plate, finish with a topping of your choice. 11. Breakfast quinoa. If you're tired of oatmeal, Try a nutty flavored grain that's not normally thought of for breakfast but makes a delicious protein and fiber-rich morning meal. Here is a popular diabetes-fighting recipe from our book, The 14-Day No Sugar Diet. To make breakfast quinoa, you'll need 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, 1 cup water, 1 cup quinoa, rinsed, 1 tablespoon butter, 1 cup blueberries, 1 cup strawberries, sliced, a quarter cup chopped raw walnuts, a half teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon honey. To make it, combine almond milk, water, and quinoa in a medium saucepan and bring the mixture to a boil. Reduce heat to between low and medium. Cover and simmer until most of the liquid is absorbed, 12 to 14 minutes. Stir in the butter. Remove from the heat and let stand for about 5 minutes. Add the blueberries, strawberries, walnuts, and cinnamon and mix well. Drizzle with honey, if desired. 12. A tasty protein and fiber pairing. Protein and fiber are a winning combination for keeping hunger at bay. Here are 3 super fast low-calorie breakfasts that pair a protein item with high-fiber food. Whole grain cereal with a half cup skim milk and fresh blueberries. Medium apple with 1 tablespoon of almond butter. Small pear and a low-fat cheese stick. There are many healthy versions of whole grain cereal to choose from, Amida tells us. Look for options with at least 3 grams of fiber per serving. Measure 1 or 2 portions of the cereal, depending on your calorie goals, and top it off with skim or low-fat milk. Don't forget to top with fruit for even more fiber to help keep you feeling full. There you have it, folks, a dozen fantastic breakfast ideas to catapult your weight loss journey into high gear. Remember, every morning is a new opportunity to nourish your body and set a positive tone for the day ahead. Whether you are a fan of a hearty omelette, a satisfying smoothie, or a simple yogurt parfait, these breakfast options offer variety without compromising on nutrition. So, which breakfast are you excited to try first? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more mouth-watering recipes and wellness tips. Here is to a healthier, happier you. Avocado salad strawberry. Disclaimer: consult a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet, especially if you have underlying health conditions.